Hello guys, welcome back to Unported Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. We are flying in Twickenham in the London Borough of Richmond. Without further ado, let's take off. I took off here because the park's quite busy, so I just took off here. Took it up to the max height, 300 feet. Look at that. And there's a train station right here, Twickenham. So we're going to take off right here. Alright, 360 degree photo is now complete. And now it's going to zip around at Twickenham. So let's go towards the town centre. So what we're going to do, we go towards the town centre, right over here. So let's go towards this area down here. Let's just explore Twickenham, Twicky. Look at that insane shot. Just go all the way around. Get a nice shot. Look at that. So I've flown in this borough in Richmond before, Richmond upon Thames. Look at that shot, amazing. What we'll do, we get a shot of the town centre right over here. We've got a area down there. What we'll do, we'll go towards the Thames and just explore what's down at the Thames side. Nice little area here in southwest London. So we've got a boat right over here. Let's get a shot of the boat. Let's get a shot right over here. Look at that, nice shot of the boat. Nice little area to fly from. I could have flown from the bridge as well. I think it's better to fly here because I get shots of everything. Even got boats over here. Look at that. Let's go towards that. Then we'll start turning back. Let's start heading back now. So you can see the trains over here. What we're going to do, we're going to go to the other side of Twickenham. See what the other side looks like. Look at that, nice trees blooming. Nice and sunny. Let's get a shot of Twickenham. Clouds are rolling in. It's going to be just small clouds, so it should be good. or we're at the edge of the clouds, so we'll just get a shot down there. We'll just go where it's sunny, so we keep on getting a sunny shot. Look at that nice sunny shot of sunny Richmond upon Thames, Twickenham. Look at that, amazing. Got a train right over here. I'm not sure what station that is, but I think it's St Mary's. Sun should have come out, but I think the cloud, the way it's moving, it's like engulfed the sun even more. I think it might. Hopefully it doesn't stay like this for a while. I might actually do that though. What we're gonna come. Actually no, we can't go towards there because it can be cloudy. Actually no, we have to because then the drone's gonna get stuck there. So we're gonna have to turn back. So yeah, it's not going to be as sunny now. I don't know which direction the cloud's going, but one thing's for sure, it's now cloudy. I'm going to go to the other side of the green, and we can explore the other side of the area. Explore Richmond Green. Let's go towards Twickenham. What we'll do, we'll come back now, we'll go to the other side. Look at that, go towards the other side. I don't understand where the sun cloud's going. Looks like far out of reach. You know, let's just carry on flying, even if it's cloudy. Exact same thing happened when you flew in Isleworth. Sunny drone flight looks so much better. I think the sun's going the far end of the cloud. It's taking the far end. I thought we can take the short end, but it's taking the far end. So I don't know how long it's going to last now. I looked at that thinking it was going to stay sunny. Got a little roundabout in this area, little oval right here, St Mary. I don't know, can we call this drone flight St Mary drone flight or Isleworth drone flight? And you see, it gets so windy as soon as it gets cloudy, which is weird. Well, like I mentioned, I think it's something to do with heat, the way the heat is let's go to where it's sunny, so like we carry on getting a sunny drone flight. Yeah, let's go towards this area down there. I think it's coming, the sun, sunny Twickenham's. It's supposed to be sunny Twickenham drone flight, but it's not. Seems far out of reach. I literally took off at the wrong time. I should have just waited. Because not only we're not getting sunny drone footage, we're also not getting sunny drone flight. Look at that plane go through that cloud. Those clouds look sick. It's just I don't even know which way the cloud's actually moving. I don't know if I got the short end or the long end. So the whole area, for the 360 panel view, the whole area is, just this area is cloudy. So if I took another place in London to fly from, we would have got a sunny flight. Let's go a little bit towards that. It's like we're chasing the sun, chasing the sunset. Let's go to the other side of the river. It's crazy, from one side of the river to another. Things we're going in headwind. So when you come back, we should come back in tailwind. Plus we're not even that far. We're just gonna go a little bit towards this bridge and that's it. Can't go as far because then we're gonna go too far then. Because the drone's right in this area. Sending it too far might cause wind issues. Let's just turn back now. Let's just explore this area. So we've got a nice neighbourhood of Richmond upon Thames. What we'll do, just come back towards here. It's nice sunny Richmond. It's actually, the sun's out on the other side now, look at that. Let's go towards the other side. Let's just get a shot of the neighbourhood. Look at that. We've got another bridge over here, as you can see. Let's go towards this area down here. And then eventually it's gonna... So we actually did get long into the cloud, which is kind of annoying. You can't predict it.
Yeah, concentrating. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Whoa, whoa, honey, you did it.
Let's get a shot of this roundabout again. We've been there.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Let's get a close-up shot of this roundabout. Look at that. Look at that shine. Look at that. Amazing, isn't it? Look at that. Where else can we go? Let's go towards the town centre again. Look at that. Let's get a shot of the... We haven't gone to this side, have we? I've been hearing planes landing Heathrow all day because I've been in the area since I've been to Brentford. From Brentford, I went to Isleworth to here, and from here to home. Look at that, sick shot. Let's get a sideways shot of this area. Look at that, nice, unrivaled shots. We've been there anyway. Let's see where the next train is. If there is a next train. Is there a next train? I don't see the next train. Just get a nice neighbourhood shot. It's Twickenham, sunny Twickenham. Look at that. I want to try and get smooth shots, but we have to move around so much. Like, I want to move the drone just in one way so that it looks so smooth. Like, let's follow this bus right here. So we have something to follow. Can we follow it to where we are? Let's see. It depends where the bus is actually going. And nope, it's going that way, so we can't follow it to where we are, but we can just quickly get a shot of this area. I don't think we've been there before. Nope, we have not been there before. Anyway, our drone's gonna die soon, so we're just gonna start him back. We're not even that far anyway. But I just want to be careful. You never know, a strong gust might just keep the drone in the area. Very unlikely that's gonna happen though. What I wanted to do, I wanted to take a shot of this area. There was a area down there I want to get a shot of, but our drone's not gonna make it now. Oh. I'm gonna land right here now. Nice little shot of sunny Twickenham. Literally, the sun's literally, it's about to come out again now. I should have literally just took off now. And we would have been fine. Look at that shot, amazing. Ooh, alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in sunny Twickenham. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.